Autumn is a great time to deep clean your interior windows. I have a great recipe that my grandmother shared with me. It's very simple to make and effectively cleans your windows, leaving a streak-free finish. It's very easy to make, and I'm going to show you how. All you need is a tablespoon of corn flour, 125 mils of white vinegar, 125 mils of cheap vodka, and a spoon to stir. And then you want to add about 350 mils of warm water. Give it another stir and make sure that all the corn flour is dissolved. You can either double up the recipe if you're doing a lot of windows, or you can just use a spray bottle. Pour it into the spray bottle. And then you're ready to clean your windows. My top tip is to use two cloths, one to wash and one to dry. And when the drying towel gets too wet, replace it with a fresh one, and that'll help ensure a streak-free finish. So that's it. It's really simple, highly effective, no toxic chemicals.